Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Exploring the microscopic world has become more accessible and captivating with the advent of digital microscopes. These innovative tools combine the power of traditional microscopy with digital imaging technology, enabling users to observe and analyze specimens with greater precision and convenience. Whether you're a professional researcher, a student, or simply an avid hobbyist, having a high-quality digital microscope can significantly enhance your scientific endeavors. In this article, we will present the top 5 best digital microscopes available on the market today, offering exceptional imaging capabilities, user-friendly features, and reliable performance. These microscopes have been carefully selected based on their image quality, magnification range, versatility, ease of use, and overall customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the world of digital microscopy and explore the impressive features of these exceptional instruments. Number 5. Lefavor G5 Digital Microscope. One of the standout features of the Lefavor G5 is its high-definition capability. With a magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1500x, this microscope allows you to explore intricate details and observe objects with remarkable clarity. Whether you're examining tiny specimens, conducting scientific research, or indulging in your curiosity, the G5 provides a clear and detailed view. The handheld design of the Lefavor G5 adds to its convenience and ease of use. Unlike traditional microscopes that require a fixed setup, the G5 offers flexibility in maneuvering and positioning. This feature is particularly useful when you need to observe objects from different angles or take the microscope with you on field trips or outdoor explorations. Another notable aspect of the Lefavor G5 is its portability. Made from durable plastic materials, this microscope is lightweight and compact, making it highly portable. It can easily fit into a bag or backpack, allowing you to take it anywhere you go. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, the G5 is an excellent companion for those who need to perform microscopy tasks on the go. Number 4. High Cloud 4-Mark Digital Microscope. The 4-Mark Digital Microscope boasts a sleek and ergonomic design. Constructed primarily with durable plastic, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. The monocular drawtube offers comfortable viewing, while the 4.3-inch screen provides a convenient platform to observe your specimens. The microscope feels solid in hand, and its compact size makes it easy to carry around. Equipped with a video microscope theory, the High Cloud 4-Marks offers impressive magnification ratios, ranging from 500x to 1500x, allowing for detailed observation of objects both small and intricate. The manual focus mode ensures precise adjustments to capture the finest details. The 1080f HD video resolution and 12-megapixel camera resolution ensure excellent image quality, allowing for accurate analysis and documentation. I found the digital zoom feature particularly useful when examining tiny structures or intricate patterns, providing a closer look at the subject under scrutiny. During my testing, the High Cloud 4-Mark Digital Microscope performed admirably. The image clarity was remarkable, with sharp and vibrant visuals that truly brought the specimens to life. Whether I was inspecting biological samples, conducting research, or indulging in my curiosity about the microscopic world, the 4-Marks delivered consistent and reliable performance. The manual focus mechanism was smooth and responsive, enabling me to achieve the desired level of clarity effortlessly. Number 3. TOMLOV 9Marks Pro Digital Microscope. The 9Marks Pro showcases a sleek and durable metal construction that exudes quality and reliability. Its handheld design makes it easy to maneuver and navigate, ensuring comfortable and steady operation during extended use. The ergonomic layout of the controls further adds to the convenience, allowing for effortless adjustments and precise focusing. The overall design and build quality of the microscope demonstrate TOMLOV's commitment to producing reliable and user-friendly devices. Equipped with advanced video microscope technology, the 9Marks Pro offers impressive high-definition imaging capabilities. The magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1500x enables users to explore intricate details with exceptional clarity. Whether you are inspecting small components, examining solder joints, or delving into the world of microscopic organisms, this microscope provides a detailed and immersive viewing experience. One of the standout features of the TOMLOV 9Marks Pro is its portability. With its compact size and lightweight design, it can be easily transported and used in various settings. Whether you're working in a laboratory, workshop, or out in the field, this microscope is a reliable companion. Additionally, the inclusion of HDMI connectivity allows for seamless connection to external displays, enabling others to view your work simultaneously and fostering collaborative efforts. Number 2. AUFOODUN 10 Mark Digital Microscope. First and foremost, the build quality of this microscope is outstanding. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability, making it suitable for both professional use and educational settings. The microscope feels robust and well-made, giving me confidence in its long-term reliability. One of the standout features of the 10 Marks is its impressive magnification capabilities. With a maximum magnification ratio of 500x, this microscope allows you to explore the microscopic world with remarkable detail. Whether you're examining tiny organisms, intricate structures, or even the texture of various materials, the 10 Marks provides crystal clear images that truly immerse you in the unseen world. Setting up the 10 Marks is a breeze. It doesn't require any complex installation procedures or additional software. Simply connect the microscope to your computer or laptop using the included USB cable, and you're ready to go. The microscope is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, ensuring widespread usability. Number 1. Elikliv EDM12 Digital Microscope. One of the standout features of the AUFOODUN 10 Marks is its high-definition video capability. The microscope provides excellent clarity and detail, allowing for precise observation of objects under magnification. The 10-inch LCD screen display provides a clear and immersive viewing experience, ensuring that you won't miss any intricate details during your observations. With a magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1500x, the 10 Marks allows for close examination of objects in great detail. Whether you're involved in soldering and electronics work, watch or clock repair, or industrial quality inspection, this microscope proves to be a reliable companion. Its versatility extends beyond these applications, making it suitable for textile industry professionals and coin collectors for error coin identification. The 10 Mark Seconds portability is another noteworthy feature. The handheld design allows you to easily maneuver the microscope and capture images or videos from various angles. The aluminum alloy construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, making it suitable for both adults and kids. Thanks for watching this video.